Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me. Give me 5 minutes of your time, guys, and I will change your life. Watch this video to the end. Let's get into it. All right, guys. So as you guys know, I'm a big time Fibonacci trader. In the last 3 months, I've made over $400,000. And you can see my open positions here. I am constantly recycling, selling premium. I'm generating between 500 to 1,000 per week with over a 90% win rate selling out the money options. And then I use that cash flow to fund buying futures contracts, buying Amazon, buying companies I like, going for leaps. There's a lot to the game, and I've really expanded with using my indicators. It's making things so simple. So I want to walk you through step by step. So if you're ready, let's step into the war zone. We're going to start off with the simplest method, which is the previous week's range. Okay. So by no means do you have to actually have the indicator. You can draw this yourself. But I just want to show you something here. So this is the price action for the S&P 500. What I'm going to do here, guys, is I'm going to turn on my previous week's range indicator, okay? And then you can see here, guys, this is last week's high and this is last week's low, okay? So let me just delete this right here, all right? So last week's high and last week's low. And anytime we pull back, right, to the golden zone, we're looking for a bounce, okay? So here is the golden zone right here from the 50 to the 786. This is the area which literally means it's halfway back of last week's range, halfway back, right? And the reason I love using these levels is because generally speaking, in my opinion, the algorithms are programmed with math. Like 50%, 61.8. These are all mathematical formulas that they use for quick bounces, for scalps and high frequency trading. And I spoke to a high frequency trader and they told me, you know, it's all comes down to like significant edges within microseconds using ratios and numbers. So this is where I developed my Fibonacci style over the years. Okay. So right here, we come to the 50% retracement. And what I like to do is I just sell out the money options, guys, over 90% win rate selling it. And we can even flip over to ES right here. And you can see same setup here, right? Last week's high, last week's low, and we have the 50% retracement again. So you might be saying, so Rich, how can you actually make money? So let me show you the 2 to 3 methods that I was talking about. Okay, let me just go back and pull back up my P&L so I can walk you through. Okay, so 1 second here, guys. All right, so going here, right, we'll throw back on the indicator and I'm going to walk you through this step by step. All right, so when we come in to the 50% retracement of last week's range, I am going to aggressively look to sell all these premiums, out the money puts, 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 because I'm selling it with a delta probably 20, looking for an 80% to 90% win rate, but I can increase my win rate to even closer to 90, 95%. When I come to the 50% fib, I know at this level, we're likely going to consolidate or we're going to bounce. And on top of that, you can see the confirmation. Look at these candlesticks here. We were going red, 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 red. Then boom, we have a green candle. That's giving me confirmation. That's giving me confidence. And then you can see, look what happens after hours, right? The market is up here on this blue line right now, right? If we go over to futures, you could see it. Look at this rally, right? So I really strongly believe these algos are running the market, okay, with Fibonacci levels. So I sold all this premium here, and then you can see my core up here, 50 contracts over 90,000. For September. In April, I already booked 50,000. And I'm using the levels to load in. When we have deep levels like weekly retracements, I'm looking to go heavy. And when we have intraday levels, I'm looking to go a little bit lighter, but you can still make a lot of money with the intraday Fibonacci. But this one I wanted to show you is the simplest way. This is the previous week's range. Okay. By the way, I'm doing a lifetime Discord giveaway. You're going to get all my indicators for free. With the giveaway, just comment, drop a like, and subscribe. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to the intraday. So we looked at the previous week. If you don't have time to look at the chart, what you can do if you're working full time, this is what I used to do. Have your weekly range set up. You can put an alert there, or you can even put an order right here. When it touches that level, you buy automatically, okay? And you can also do that after hours using futures contracts. For example, here, you can have an order on 63.75. You can risk last week's low. Even with one contract, guys, if this market runs, it can go a long way, all right? So there's no excuse. There's many ways. I used to work full-time. I used to trade in the washroom, okay? I used to go hide in the washroom and trade. You know, it is what it is. You got to do what you got to do. Okay, let's continue. All right, so next I'm going to go to the intraday trading, which is very aggressive, but has that potential. So what we're going to do right now is I'm going to go back here, and I'm actually going to go to the 23rd of May, okay? Because I'm going to show you something that's going to blow your mind, because this is an example of an intraday alpha trade. So I call it alpha because I'm trying to generate huge returns with these trades, okay? So right here, guys, this trade, if you've been following me for a while, you know about this trade, right? This was when the market had a downgrade of the US debt. This was with the Moody's downgrade, right? Look at this. Okay, so let me just move these over here. This is where the market is right now, right up here on this blue line. This trade on the 23rd of May, I pulled out the indicator, right? I'll show you how the indicator works in a second for the intraday. But this trade right now, my friends, and I had one more ad over here. Okay, just let me move this up to where we are right now. This one and this one, if I add them together, okay, that's 150 and this is 73. Over 200 times my money. With a risk of $100 using futures contracts, could have became 20,000. Okay, with risk though. I'm not talking about options. I'm talking about futures. Okay, that's very important. All right. But anyways, so a lot of you saying, well, Rich, what about during this week? Did anything happen? Like, stop showing me 23rd of May. No problem. So last week we had some beautiful fibs. And even this week so far, we've had some great fibs. Okay. So I'm going to go back to pre-FOMC. This is Tuesday. I'm going to hit the replay right here. All right. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off the previous week's range. I'm going to add the auto Fibonacci, which is the intraday, and we're going to go ahead and play. Okay, so here's the first 5-minute candle. So when you're doing intraday, guys, you want to wait at least 10 or 15 minutes because you want to see what the direction is. Okay, so here we go. This is 9:45. We can see the market wants to go lower. So what we're doing is we're waiting for the Fibonacci. We're waiting for the 618 Fibonacci. So here we go. We come in, bang, you tag that 618. You can see a little bit of a rejection here. And then you can see that we have this doji. So this is our entry right here on the 618. And then bang, guys, beautiful, beautiful rollover. Honestly, at least one to two times per week, you can get life-changing Fibonacci like this. This is on Tuesday, July 29th, 9:55. It's the same thing we do over and over and over again. Okay, so that was a beauty. And then I wanted to show you also this one. I took advantage of this one. This one was a beautiful one on Friday. This one actually went for like a 10x multi-bagger. Okay, so here we go. So Friday, boom, first 5-minute bar, bang, bang. We could see right here, the market wants to go higher. But what we're going to do, you can see, right, we're pushing to the upside off the open. We want to buy in the golden zone. We want to buy over here, right? So let's go ahead. We push down, bang, right? Look, let me show you something. In this red candle, everyone is going to be thinking the market's going to crash. However, here's the Fibonacci. Here's the Fibonacci. Now look what happens. Boom, this big bullish candle comes in. On the Fibonacci, you can get long right at the close, put the stop loss. You could put it on the body of the wick. I've been finding that a little bit better. Put that on the body of the wick like this, and then boom. Okay. This one was a huge winner on Friday, guys. Massive. Okay. So at the peak about 6, let's be conservative and let's just say 5. What does that mean? If you're risking $1,000, that's $5,000 in a few hours. There's nothing in the world that can do that for you. Okay. You can make 5 times your money. Okay. This is the trade over here in an hour. There's nothing like that, at least that I know of. Okay. And that's why I love trading. It's my passion. I'm fascinated. I want to teach you. I want to help you because I was once in your shoes. I was the guy that I always bought at the high and I sold at the low because that's what everybody does in social media. They push market's going up, it's going up, it's going up, FOMO, buy. And then you get stuck with the bag. Okay. And I'm going to teach you that it's math, it's algorithm, and it's Fibonacci. Okay. So thank you so much for your time there. I just wanted to show you a few of those Fibonacci. You can draw these all yourself. You don't need to, you don't need to purchase anything. You can do it yourself. You can draw it. I love the simplicity of having doing it automatically, so I can just look at the chart and make my decisions accordingly. Okay. But I'm doing a combination of selling premium, compounding, and doing it stocks. Okay. If I make $1,000 selling puts on MES or SPY, I could take that 1,000 and I can buy Tesla. I can buy Hood. I can buy Amazon, or I could just I could reinvest in the S&P. So there's so many things that I'm doing, so many things that are working, but the main concept is buy weakness and sell strength. And the way you do that is with retracements with Fibonacci. Okay. Go to my website here, tradingwars.com. If you want to get the auto Fibonacci indicator library, it's going to come with the 2 that I showed you, intraday and previous week's range. I have 5 of them. I'll releasing them every quarter as I continue to test and make sure they're effective. And so you can buy right here on the website. Come into the Discord. I have a free channel, Auto Fibonacci Indicator. This is free. Join my Discord. You'll see the link below. And all of the training is here. All the videos are here. Everything is here. I am building. If you want to learn, guys, I have everything for you. Don't pay a dime to learn. Okay. If you want to come watch me trade live, that's a different story. But if you want to learn, it's all there for free. Okay. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate you. Don't forget, I'm going to give away a full package to somebody. Comment, like, subscribe. Okay. Take care. Have a great day. And let's change the game. All right. Thank you. Take care.